Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn an important topic in English communication: sounds and pronunciation. If you want to speak English clearly and confidently, then understanding sounds is very important. In this lesson, we will learn letter sounds, vowel sounds, short, vowels, long vowels, pronunciation, phonics, sound blending, digraphs, silent letters, word, stress, syllables, sentence stress, intonation accent, clear pronunciation. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to speak English more clearly and confidently, so let's begin our learning journey. Let us first understand letter sounds. A letter sound is the sound produced when speaking a letter. English has 26 letters, but one letter can make different sounds. For example, the letter C in cat sounds like K, but the letter C in city sounds like S. Correct letter sounds improve pronunciation and speaking, so whenever you learn a new word, always listen carefully to its sound. Now let us learn about vowel sounds. The vowels in English are A, E, I, O, and U. Vowel sounds are very important because they change the pronunciation of words. There are mainly two types: short vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds we will understand both one by one. Short vowels are quick vowel sounds. These sounds are commonly used in small words. For example, A in cat, O in hot. Listen carefully: cat, hot. The vowel sound is short and quick. Practice speaking these words slowly and clearly. Now let us learn about long vowels. Long vowels sound like the name of the vowel itself. These sounds are usually stretched while speaking. For example, A in keiko in home, listen, carefully, cake, home. Notice how the vowel sound becomes longer. Now let us understand pronunciation. Pronunciation means speaking words correctly. Good pronunciation makes speaking clear and understandable. For example, honest is pronounced as honest. Right is pronounced as right. Some letters are written but not spoken. That is why listening and practicing are very important. Next topic is phonics. Phonics is the relationship between letters and sounds. Phonics helps in reading, pronunciation, speaking, and listening. For example, C plus A plus T becomes cat. When we combine sounds together, we can read words more easily. Phonics is one of the best ways to improve English speaking. Now let us learn about sound blending. Blend means joining sounds together. For example, B plus A plus T becomes bat, C plus A plus, P becomes cap, D plus, O plus, e.g. becomes dog. Instead of reading each letter separately, we smoothly join the sounds. This helps in faster reading and clearer pronunciation. Now let us learn about digraphs. A digraph means two letters making one sound. Digraphs create special English sounds. For example, she in ship, chi in chair. Even though there are two letters, we hear only one combined sound. Practice these words slowly: ship, chair. Next topic is silent letters. A silent letter is written but not spoken. For example, K in knife, W in right. We do not pronounce these letters while speaking. Silent letters are very common in English, so always listen carefully to pronunciation. Now let us understand word stress. Stress means speaking one part of a word louder or stronger. Wrong stress can make words difficult to understand. For example, ba na na ta share computer. Notice which part sounds stronger. Correct stress makes your English sound more natural. Now let us learn about syllables. A syllable is a beat or sound part in a word. For example, apple has 2 syllables. Banana has 3 syllables. Let us clap while speaking. Apple banana. Breaking words into syllables helps improve pronunciation and reading. Now let us understand sentence stress. In English, important words are spoken stronger in a sentence. Usually stressed words are nouns, verbs, and important information words. For example, I want a new phone. She went to school. Notice how some words are stronger than others. Sentence stress makes speech sound natural and expressive. Now let us learn about intonation. Intonation means the rise and fall of voice while speaking. Our voice does not stay flat while speaking English. For example, rising intonation. Are you ready? Falling intonation. Where are you going? Good intonation makes communication more natural and interesting. Now let us understand accent. Accent is the special way people pronounce language. Different countries and regions have different accents. For example, Indian English, American English, British English. Remember, you do not need a fake accent. Your goal should be clear pronunciation and confident speaking. Finally, let us learn how to improve pronunciation. You can improve by speaking slowly, pronouncing every sound clearly, practicing difficult words, and listening to English audio regularly. Repeat after native speakers and practice daily. Clear pronunciation improves communication and confidence. Great job, everyone! Today we learned sounds, pronunciation, phonics, stress, intonation, and many more important English speaking basics. Practice these concepts daily for better communication skills. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you in the next class.